Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be discussing an exciting and popular topic that has been making waves around the world, cryptocurrency. You've probably heard of it, but do you know what it really is? In this video, we'll be sharing with you 10 interesting facts about cryptocurrency that you may not have known. So, let's begin. Number 1. Cryptocurrency is decentralized. Unlike traditional currencies, which are controlled by banks and governments, cryptocurrency is decentralized. This means that it is not controlled by any central authority, which gives users more control and privacy. Number 2. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was the first ever cryptocurrency to be created back in 2009. It was created by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Number 3. Cryptocurrency is digital. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrency is entirely digital. This means that it exists only as code and is stored on a decentralized digital ledger called a blockchain. Number 4. Cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Once a cryptocurrency transaction is completed, it cannot be reversed. This is because it is stored on the blockchain and cannot be altered or deleted. Number 5. Cryptocurrency is not backed by any physical asset. Unlike traditional currencies, which are often backed by physical assets such as gold or silver, cryptocurrency has no physical backing. Its value is determined solely by supply and demand. Number 6. There are over 20,000 cryptocurrencies in existence. While Bitcoin is the most well-known and valuable cryptocurrency, there are over 20,000 different cryptocurrencies in existence, with new ones being created all the time. Number 7. Cryptocurrency can be used to purchase goods and services. Many businesses around the world now accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment, including big names like Microsoft, AT&T, and Expedia. Number 8. Cryptocurrency is not just for investment. While many people see cryptocurrency as an investment opportunity, it can also be used for everyday transactions, such as paying for goods and services or transferring money internationally. Number 9. Cryptocurrency transactions are faster and cheaper than traditional banking. Cryptocurrency transactions can be completed almost instantly, regardless of where you are in the world, and often for a much lower fee than traditional banking methods. Number 10. Cryptocurrency is still a relatively new technology. Cryptocurrency is still a relatively new technology, and it is constantly evolving. As a result, there are still many unknowns and uncertainties, which means that investing in cryptocurrency carries a degree of risk. Those were 10 interesting facts about cryptocurrency that you may not have known. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just curious about the technology, we hope that you found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on cryptocurrency and other interesting topics. Thank you for watching.